Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I got this box from Kate Somerville. This is a mystery bundle. It is samples and there are supposed to be 29 samples in here and I paid $20 for this. It's supposed to be valued at $80. And if y'all don't know this about me, I love lots of different brands. I really do. But I especially love Kate Somerville's Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. This is my very favorite cleanser. And before I actually tried it, you know, I used to get this a lot and give it away because that's what I do. I give a lot of things away. This is filled to about here right now. I use it very sparingly because it's expensive and I don't get it like I used to. So in the meantime, because it's Kate Somerville, I have these in my shower as well. This one is the Exfoliate Cleanser Daily Foaming Wash. So you can see how much I've used of that. This is more for maybe a little bit oily skin, but I don't care. It's Kate Somerville. I'll use it. This, I don't know. This is just gentle, the goat milk, and I don't know that it's particularly for any particular kind of skin. What am I trying to say? But it is very nice for my normal skin. My skin tends to be normal, maybe a little bit dry. I do get sometimes, like in the summer, I get a little oily around here. I used to have oily skin when I was younger. And then I also had this in my arsenal of things. So I have it in my shower as well. This is also the Exfoliate. And this one is Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. This one I use maybe about once a week. And this is a dark, thick green color. And y'all, on Thanksgiving, I don't know that we really do it anymore because it's smaller families. Don't bite me, Camille. This smells like pickles, like the sweet pickles, sweet gherkins. That's what it smells like. I love it. I love it. So anyway, this is what I love to use to clean my skin. I will use other products and I do like other products, but those are my favorite. Okay, so since I like Kate Somerville and I follow her on Instagram, you know, things come up. Little commercials, and this came up. So I'm like, $20, I gotta try it. So in buying this, they let you, if you go to their website, Kate Somerville, they let you pick 3 things, 3 samples. So what did I get? I got my Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. That's probably in, because I use very little. You don't need a lot. It smells heavenly. But I've got 2 uses in here, maybe, yeah, 2, maybe 3. I'm pushing it if I say 3. And then there is the Total Repair Cream. I've tried this before in a sample like this, and it's very nice. And then there is the Exfoliate Cleanser. So I have 2 of the cleansers that I already use. So these are great to throw in a bag if you're going away for the weekend. Perfect. So let's see what's in here. This has a value of $80. And there's 29 items in here. So let's see. There were gonna be some foil packets and some other things. So let me open it. This is a nice box. So this is what it looks like, okay? So we do have the Daily Foaming Wash. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are a bunch of foil packets in here. Okay, Blue, hang on. Let's see if these are the same. You'll have to sit down. Now this one, yeah, that's a little bit different. Okay, Blue. Blue is so big he takes up the whole camera. Come on, love, go on. Okay, there are, did I say 4 or 5 of these? Now I don't remember because now I'm all befuddled. So there are 4 of, these are orange also, but these are the intensive. So these are this one. So great for traveling. And then I got 4 of these, which is, I got the free one. And so let's see, I'm sorry y'all, because I'm all messed up now. There's 5 of the goat milk. There's 4 of the moisturizer. There are 4 or 5 of each of the exfoliators, okay? So 1 is a daily wash and 1 for me, I do weekly. If you could do it more often than that. And then there are 4 products that are deluxe size samples. And there's also some more, way at the bottom, there's some more packets. So this is a lifting eye package. There's just one of these. I've never tried anything from Kate Somerville for the eyes, so that would be nice to try. And then this is the Retinol Vitamin C Moisturizer. There are 5 of these. So that's gonna, excuse me, now I have fur in my face. That's going to be very nice and come in handy for traveling, which I hardly travel, but I do sometimes. So they're nice to take with, or if I just want to try something. So, and then I have these 4 products. So let's see what I have. We have this, let's see what that is. That is Resurfacing Body Scrub. The Exfoliate brand, the Exfoliate line. So this is a body scrub. I've never tried the body scrub, so that'll be fun to try. This is the Intensive Exfoliating Treatments. I think that's this one. Yeah, so this is just a little bit bigger size than that one, or a lot bigger size, but. And then we have, I can't really, golly, why do they put white on lilac? But this one is Delicate. So Delicate Recovery Cream. Okay, so this is very lightweight feeling. Oh, wow. It doesn't have a seal. It is so, it is, I thought it was going to be really lightweight, but it's like a balm. It's, you can see I haven't even made a dent in there. It's really hard. It's like a balm. Well, I'm going to have to read about what is this exactly. Maybe it is a balm for cleansing, but I can't read it. It's so small. Botanical, I'll have to check it out. All right, calm it on down, girlfriend, okay? And then there is this. Oh, this is nice. This is a larger size of those packets. The CatCeuticals. So this is a little bit higher end of the, which all her stuff is high end, but this is the Total Repair Cream. So let's see what that one looks like. Pretty packaging, of course. Look at all of her, a lot of her packaging has a little smile on it. This is very pretty. And this has a seal here. Oh, that looks nice and rich. It has a little bit of a scent. You don't like a lot of scent for your face. For something that's gonna stay on your face. I don't know what that smells like, but it smells nice. So that looks very rich and creamy, and I'm excited to try that. I'm gonna take a look at this and see what it is. I'll be back. It is a recovery cream. All right, Camille. It's very, very thick. I did get some out. I wasn't sure what it was, y'all, because it was like a hard on top. It's very rich, very, very rich. You see that? It's a recovery cream. It doesn't really have a scent at all. And this will be really nice in winter, I think. If you have dry skin, I think this would be perfect. And in winter, I have dry skin. Not all around, but my forehead and around here gets dry. Oh, that's very rich and nice. Very rich and nice. So, $20. What do y'all think? I think it's, these products are very expensive. And I don't know that anything, well, I don't know how much are things, $45, $49, what I love, this right here. So to get some samples is nice. So I did get this very rich cream. I got this Pharmaceuticals, or it's called CatCeuticals. And we got the body scrub, that'll be interesting to try. And the exfoliating treatment in this size to carry, and then all these samples. So, very cool. So here's what I'll do. If anybody wants to try, I'll give one person one of each of these foil packs. I'll have to go through and see. There's a daily foaming wash, because some of them are the same color. Intensive exfoliating treatment. We've got that one. There's only one eye, so I'm gonna keep that for myself. The vitamin C, the retinol C, the goat milk, which I love. You know what, that's one I love. So there's 4 or 5 of them. I forget how many there are. Oh, there are more eye ones. Hey, how did I not see that? There are 5 eye ones. Okay. So I think that there's 5. So if you'd like to win this little surprise hidden treasure giveaway, I'll probably throw in a couple sheet masks with this, y'all. I don't have any from Kate Somerville. Don't even know if she does them, but I'll give you 1 of each packet, and I think there's 5. There could be 6. I'll go through everything and see. Say cream, C-R-E-A-M, for this hard stuff here, okay? And all right, so how's that? And then when I do these hidden treasures, I usually run them about a week-ish, you know, when I remember to come back and pull a name and all that. So so y'all, thanks for stopping by to see this. I thought it was, to me, it was worth the $20. Now, I'm not sure how you feel about it, but I like to try all this. I'm happy to get some new things. These I haven't had before, and also these 3 I haven't had before. And like I said, some of these, like the eye and the, I want to say I've tried the retinol vitamin C in something maybe like a foil packet like this, and I may have gotten it from Space NK or something. I can't remember. Maybe even gotten it from Sephora or something, but that's sounding familiar to me. But a lot of this I really like, so I'm excited about this, and thanks for stopping by. Count your blessings. Good to see y'all, and thank you. All right, bye-bye.